There's a problem with these seats, E36 seats. When reclining, there's a gear, that plastic gear that breaks, and that's what happened on mine. It stopped adjusting. Here, I'll show it to you guys. So what you do is you remove these two motors. There's this plastic piece, you remove that plastic piece. You remove these two electrical motors, really easy. Then there's a cover. This is the cover. You remove that cover, then you'll see a gear, plastic gear right here. This is that plastic gear. Look at that. It's shaven and then it cracked. And on eBay you can buy a replacement gear. And you just clip it in the back right here. See? There's a C-clip. You just clip it in the back and put everything back together. Really easy, and that should work. I guess this eBay gear is not made properly, so I have to use this tool to press it in, or it is made properly. I have to press it in using this tool. I hope that's gonna do it. No, I need to go more, a little bit more, so I can put that C-clip in place. I hope it doesn't break. Here you go, guys. This is how it's supposed to look. And then it goes right here. It goes right here. And then see it? See it, man? Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Awesome. That's how you do it, guys. Like and subscribe. Watch the other videos on my channel.